Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you another base website, the Faucet website. This will be pay you instantly in your Faucetpay. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, watch my other videos. And this is the website. This website pay you USDT every 1 minute instantly in your Faucetpay. First of all, copy your Faucetpay wallet address. Go to your Faucetpay, go to deposit, copy your Faucetpay wallet address, and you can start claiming your Faucet. This is your Faucetpay wallet address. Copy it and come here, paste it. And after that, solve this little captcha. After solving the captcha, come down and solve this one: candy, cookie, honey, and wait 50 seconds. After 50 seconds you will be able to get your free reward. Okay, now just click get reward. This website pay you instantly in your Faucetpay without any second. You can see this website pay me. Now I go to my Faucetpay to show you this website pay me or not. Okay, I go to overview, come down, and you can see this website pay me instantly in my Faucetpay. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free and best way. And bye bye for now.